Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Tutor. Today in this video, I'm going to show on how to unblock someone on Snapchat using your mobile device. So, let's get started. First, open your Snapchat app on your mobile device. Now, at the upper left corner on your screen, tap the profile icon. Once you tap your profile icon, you will see the settings icon at the upper right side of your screen. Then tap it. Here, just scroll down, then look for block users. Then tap block users. Now, you just tap the X button to unblock someone. Then tap yes. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please do follow, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorial videos.